Okay. Come to Six Flags, he says. It'll be fun, he says.
Isn't this fun?
Are you kidding me? It just blew that down.
That's called fun.
The weather is just kicked in.
Dude.
What have you gotten me into, Savage Mister? Whoa!
It's called a bonus.
A bonus?
Wanted cooler weather.
Yeah, it was hot. We asked for it to be cool.
Because what you asked for.
When it was
Yes.
burning hot, I made up this song. Rain, rain, come today, wash off all my sweat away.
Ah, well, you're getting your wish
You asked it, you shouted.
because it is definitely raining.
Follow
All right, so there's only one thing to do when it's raining with possible tornadoes,
me. No, it's not. It's not possible today.
and that is play carnival games. You have to play carnival games. Oh my goodness. Or claw machines. Carnival games or claw machines. So Savage Mister's live streaming because what else should you do in this weather, right? Except live stream. I'm gonna play carnival games. Look at everybody. Look, everybody's all huddled up in that arcade. But little do they know, we already came through and won everything that had a payout. When you come to Six Flags with this guy, he's like a celebrity. So, all right, here we go. Root me on. All right, guys, here we go. We got 2 shots.
All right, I'm recording for him. Ooh,
We got 2 shots.
you can do it.
Greg, this is called technique. This is called technique. Do not make fun. It's called technique.
Yeah, Craig. Oh, dude.
Oh. All right. That was technique. Let's try it again.
Is it live? Yeah. Greg said he was just trash talking.
Oh, he's just trash talking me? Yes.
Yep. Where should we follow you guys at?
1 second.
Yeah.
I've got, this is
That's
big
pretty
for me.
Oh, you gotta make it.
I gotta make it. We got 2 little
Dang,
girls
you
hunkered down
touch
over,
your lane right
over there in the ring. Whoa!
Oh, dang, bro. Getting around my feet. Whoa, dang, I'm getting a little
Oh, all right, here we go. Last shot.
The wind's gonna take it.
Last shot. Gotta play for the win.
Dang, play through the wind. More like it. Yeah!
Whoa! And the win! And the win! Right there. That's how it's done. Perfect weather to come play carnival games. Perfect games. There we go. I want that. Can I get that flash? Look at that. Here we go. Here we go. Check it out. Flash is my favorite character. Woo! Winner, winner, winner!
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. So let's play goblet toss. Let's play goblet toss, shall we? I've got 2 buckets. The rain is coming down at Six Flags. Nola Mom and the kids are all over there. They're hunkered down, like for real. They're like hunkered down over there. I decided that it would be a great idea if I got Savage Mister to live stream, which makes sense. And now we're gonna play carnival games because that's what you do when the weather's bad, right? So here we go. Technique.
Technique, Greg.
Technique.
Same technique that won that.
Whoa! 1 ball, 1 winner. 1 ball, 1 winner right there. That is a winner. We are guaranteed a medium prize. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Here we go. Oh, blue! Blue! 2 throws, 2 winners. That's what I'm talking about right there. Here we go. Whoa! Oh my goodness! No, that was no man's land. No, that was awful. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, it's bouncing right over. Come on, go in the blue. Oh. Oh, that's no man's land. Okay, so that was the first bucket. We got one more bucket. Here we go. Oh. Uh-oh, we got a runner, we got a runner. Here we go. All right, we got 2, 4, 5, we got 6 left, we got 6 left. We need one more big win, just one more, even in the blue or... You believe in me, she believes in me. All right, we got 3 left. Well, that was a nothing. 2 left. Red, are you kidding me? Last one, last one, last one. No, all right, so that was actually pretty good. We got a blue and a red. What does that mean we get? Okay, so get one ball. I guess we got to go with Batman, right? We got to go with Batman. Here we go, and we'll go red. All right. There we go. 2 tries, 2 wins.
I forgot how to see anybody do with like one.
So that, wait, you said?
Out of 2 buckets, I've had people miss all of them equally paid 2, and with all these 1 bucket, I've never had it happen.
Wow, yeah, the first 2. Yeah, the first 2 I threw were winners. Wow, she's never seen that before. So hold up. Bailey is going to play the balloon game, but my goodness, the weather is coming in. So she's going to get to throw 4 darts. When she pops 4 balloons, she's going to get to pick one of her prizes from the top. There's also a ditto up there. Holy cow, Bailey, do you see that ditto? All right, Bailey. There's one. Oh, okay. There's 2. There's 3. Oh my goodness. Bonus round, bonus round. Bonus rounds. Yay! Great job, great job. We do not have a ditto, Bailey. That's all I'm saying. We don't have the ditto. Choose wisely.
And there's no unicorn.
Yeah, there is. There's a purple one up there.
What if I whisper to him and it will be a surprise?
Okay, you won. You get to pick whatever you want. But we don't have a ditto. All right, Bailey. What'd you tell him? Oh! She went for the ditto. Bailey just won a ditto. Oh my goodness, we don't have one of those. Great job. The weather, it's no longer raining.
Yes.
We've done a live stream with Savage Mister. Oh my goodness. That was pretty awesome.
It was definitely interesting.
We live streamed arcade and carnival games and we did pretty good. We did good. Now, this one.
I didn't have any socks on because I got drenched in my feet because I took my shoes off to splash in the rain.
Just singing in the rain.
Well, I wasn't singing, I was splashing around being a true 7.
So, it started out the day was super hot. And then all of a sudden, it just came down a pure storm. And we're just making the best of it. We're just making the best of it.